Welcome to HealthyHub Doc, where we explore smart, science-backed ways to boost your health using simple life hacks and household items. Today, we're turning the spotlight on an unassuming kitchen staple, baking soda. Beyond its well-known use in baking and cleaning, baking soda offers a plethora of health benefits that might surprise you. So without further delay, let's begin today's video about the top 10 baking soda healthy life hacks. 1. Soothing canker sores. First up, let's talk about oral health with baking soda as a remedy for canker sores. Canker sores are small ulcers inside the mouth that can be incredibly painful. These small ulcers inside the mouth can make everyday activities like eating and talking extremely painful. Fortunately, baking soda comes to the rescue. Thanks to its pH balancing properties, baking soda neutralizes the acidity in the mouth, soothing these painful spots. For a quick remedy, mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a little water to create a paste. Apply this directly to the sore to relieve pain and accelerate healing. This method is backed by dental research, which highlights baking soda's ability to reduce inflammation and bacterial growth. The antibacterial properties of baking soda help prevent infection, promoting faster recovery. 2. Combating acid reflux. Next up is a common digestive complaint, acid reflux. Each month, millions experience the discomfort of heartburn. To be exact, over 60 million Americans experience heartburn at least once a month. Baking soda, known scientifically as sodium bicarbonate, acts as a natural antacid. Baking soda offers a quick, natural remedy. Its natural antacid properties can neutralize stomach acid in moments. Mixing a tablespoon of baking soda with water creates a solution that can quickly neutralize stomach acid, providing immediate relief. This remedy is especially useful because it's readily available and avoids the potential side effects of synthetic antacids. This remedy is perfect for those who prefer a natural approach or are looking for immediate relief without the need for over-the-counter medications. 3. Non-toxic deodorizer. Now, let's tackle a daily annoyance, fridge odors. Baking soda's deodorizing properties are next on our list. Foods, especially leftovers, can leave a lingering smell that's hard to eliminate. Placing an open box of baking soda or a bowl of baking soda to absorb these odors, neutralizing both acidic and alkaline smells without synthetic fragrances or chemicals. This simple trick keeps your fridge smelling fresh without harsh chemicals, making it a safer and more natural choice for home and kitchen hygiene. 4. Arthritis Relief. Moving on to a painful chronic condition, arthritis. For those dealing with arthritis, particularly rheumatoid arthritis, baking soda might be a helpful addition to your management plan. Drinking a solution of baking soda and water daily can help reduce inflammation, one of the primary symptoms of arthritis. This approach works by influencing the body's pH balance and promoting an anti-inflammatory environment, which could be particularly beneficial for those suffering from chronic inflammatory conditions. Recent studies have shown promising results with baking soda for reducing inflammation associated with rheumatoid arthritis. A daily dose of a baking soda solution can potentially reduce the discomfort and swelling associated with arthritis, offering a simple, cost-effective complement to traditional treatments. If you're finding this video helpful and informative, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more health information and tips. 5. Eco-friendly stain remover. If you've ever struggled with stubborn stains, baking soda can be your eco-friendly solution. Whether it's a spill on your favorite shirt or a mark on the couch, a paste made from baking soda and water can lift stains without the use of chemical cleaners. This not only preserves the life of your fabrics, but also avoids the exposure to potentially toxic substances found in many commercial stain removers. Mixing baking soda with a bit of water and applying it to stains on clothing or upholstery can be a gentle yet effective method that protects your fabrics while being environmentally friendly. 6. Natural teeth whitening. Turning back to oral care, baking soda is renowned for its teeth whitening properties. Its mild abrasive effect helps remove surface stains from your teeth, and when used regularly, it can significantly brighten your smile. For an easy DIY whitening paste, mix baking soda with hydrogen peroxide and gently brush your teeth. This combination is effective at breaking down stain-causing molecules, leaving your teeth cleaner and whiter. 7. Preventative dental hygiene. For dental care, baking soda is a gem. It's not just an old wives' tale. Scientific studies support not only the use of baking soda as a mild abrasive for teeth whitening, but also when used as a toothpaste to fight biofilm and plaque formation, thanks to its antibacterial properties. 8. Refreshing breath. Once again, let's talk about oral hygiene. Baking soda is effective in combating bad breath when used as a mouthwash. Baking soda works by neutralizing foul-smelling bacterial acids in the mouth. This is a fantastic alternative for those who find commercial mouthwashes too harsh. Dissolving baking soda in water and using it as a rinse can neutralize the odors caused by bacteria and food remnants in the mouth, providing a fresh, clean feeling without the sting of alcohol-based mouthwashes. 9. Supporting kidney health. Chronic kidney disease is a serious condition affecting millions globally, and managing this condition can be challenging. Interestingly, baking soda may offer benefits here as well. Research indicates that a daily baking soda supplement can help stabilize blood pH levels, potentially slowing the progression of CKD. A daily dose of baking soda could potentially improve overall kidney function. This could reduce the necessity for dialysis in some patients, offering a significant improvement in quality of life. 10. Soothing skin irritations. For skin care, baking soda is an excellent remedy for dry, itchy skin or even sunburn. Its anti-inflammatory properties can calm skin irritation and redness. For a soothing bath, add half a cup of baking soda to lukewarm water and soak to relieve skin discomfort. To summarize, baking soda for skincare is highly effective. Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties make it an excellent choice for soothing irritated skin. A baking soda bath can alleviate symptoms of itchy skin or rashes, providing relief without expensive medicated creams. As we wrap up today's video, remember that baking soda is a powerful tool for several healthy life hacks. Baking soda is more than just a kitchen ingredient. It's a versatile product that can enhance your health and home in numerous ways. It's affordable, readily available, and can be used to improve your daily life. Before you leave, make sure to like this video if you found these tips helpful. Subscribe to HealthyHub Doc for more healthy life hacks and tips. Click the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. Share your experiences with baking soda in the comments below, or let us know if there's another miracle product you'd like us to feature. Stay healthy, stay informed, and see you next time on HealthyHub Doc.